When comparing HubSpot Service Hub versus Zoho Desk, you're probably wondering which one truly stands out in the world of help desk software. Both are popular choices, but which one is best suited for your needs? Stay tuned to find out, and I promise you'll want to hear the surprising alternative I recommend at the end of this video. Let's dive in with the first thing, HubSpot Service Hub. One of its biggest selling points is its integration with HubSpot CRM, making it a seamless choice if you're already using HubSpot for marketing or sales. It offers a user-friendly interface with features like ticket management, a knowledge base, and automation tools. However, it's not all smooth sailing. For smaller teams or those on a tight budget, HubSpot can feel expensive, especially if you need to unlock advanced features like custom reporting and higher-tier automation. Next thing, Zoho Desk. Zoho's help desk solution is a strong contender with its robust set of features. From multi-channel support, email, chat, social media, to its AI-powered assistant, it really shines in customization. The ticket management system is comprehensive, and you can easily set up workflows to improve efficiency. But while Zoho Desk offers a lot for the price, it can be a bit overwhelming to set up, and the interface isn't as polished as HubSpot's. Plus, the integration with third-party tools can sometimes be glitchy. The third thing, when we talk about reporting and analytics, both platforms come in strong but differ in their approach. HubSpot's reporting tools are built into the CRM, meaning you get a full picture of customer data. Zoho Desk, however, offers more flexibility and customization in its reporting, but lacks that seamless all-in-one view that HubSpot offers out of the box. So, if you're all about streamlined data access, HubSpot might have the edge here. Now, the fourth thing, customer support. HubSpot support is generally good, but it can be slow at times depending on your tier of service. Zoho Desk, on the other hand, offers 24/7 support, and the community forum is active and helpful. If real-time support is crucial for you, Zoho Desk might offer a better experience, though HubSpot's comprehensive knowledge base can make up for some of those delays. Next up, pricing. HubSpot can get expensive if you're not careful. The free version is very limited, and you'll likely need the premium tiers to get full functionality. Zoho Desk offers a more budget-friendly option, and its pricing tiers are clear, which can be an advantage for small businesses or startups. However, as with HubSpot, Zoho's most powerful features are locked behind higher-tier plans. So, what's the bottom line? HubSpot Service Hub is great if you're already in the HubSpot ecosystem and want a highly integrated solution with a polished interface, but it can get pricey. Zoho Desk offers more customization options at a lower price point, but its interface could use some polish, and it might be more complex to set up. That said, both of these are solid options, but here's the thing. After testing both myself, I've found an even better alternative that's more efficient and cost-effective for businesses looking for the best help desk software. If you're tired of the limitations of HubSpot and Zoho Desk, I recommend you check out the link in the description below to get the best free trial available, with exclusive benefits only for viewers like you. This might be the solution you've been searching for.